two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Lyft account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Two-factor Authentication or Security. Tap on it to proceed to the 2FA setup. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes such as via SMS or an authentication app. Choose the option that works best for you. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your choice and activate two-factor authentication. You may need to enter a code sent to your chosen method to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Lyft account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe while using the app.